Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to record and generate our WebDriverIo test script by using our Chrome Dev Tools. Okay, in the previous video you can able to see a sample test case I created in case somebody don't want to create manually all the steps how we need to create click the button and enter the value and provide the password and click the login button. These are all the things if you don't want to do. And we have another feature that is called a record who all are using for latest version of Chrome browser that people can able to get for that. Okay, just inspect an any element. Okay, once you inspect and we have three dots here. There are three dots. Just click on here and go to more and there is a recorder. This is the one. Okay, in case if you don't want like this. Okay, and just click on three dots and click on more and go to dev tools. Now you'll come for dev tools here. Okay, again click the three dots and more tools and again recorder. Okay, this is the future you are going to click. Once you click this recorder, it will ask you to create a suite for that, which test case you are going to creating. Okay, once you click here and you can able to see here as well immediately, there is a uh, process it will goes here and you can able to see that particular recorder. Okay, just I'm creating here my suite testing recorder. Okay, this is the future I'm going to create. I'm using for CSS any selector you want to specific one you want to in that selector location you can able to use it anything. Okay, if you check the all the things it will provide for all the things. Okay, this is the recorder button. You have to click this recorder button. Once you click this recorder, it will start the first screen itself, the page it will be presented. Okay, and this is my username. I copied and I pasted. Okay, key up and downs and copy everything it is copied because we are double click on this particular element and we copied it. And also we double click on here and again we are going to paste it here. Okay, and just click on login button. Okay, it will comes to here, it will not record this particular pop-up. Okay, now here we are in the logout location. If you want to click the logout, again it will go for login page. All the things will be recorded. You can able to see the step by step all the things will be presented here. I'm going to ending this record. Okay, you can able to see all the things. Okay, and you can able to see the view first page and here it is come double clicking that particular element you can able to see double clicking for that particular content information location. Okay, it copies the information that is a Tom Smith Tom Smith. It is copied here you can able to see the location Tom Smith element at the text. Okay, each element will be locators, all the locators it will be presented. Okay, then down and up arrow and you can able to username location it is provided and change the element you can able to. Okay, and the similar format click and everything we click the double click and save and everything we made it here and that's why it is coming. And login button location once you click the logout it will go for logout. Okay, once it is completed then it will comes to logout location. But this login clicking, once you click the login it will go for inside and we click for the logout. Okay, and then you can able to this particular button is there, right? You can able to replay. If you click the replay it will start for re-execution of that particular test case, what all the things it is recorded everything and it will go for and it will wait some time and it will go for logout as well because it need to be click all the elements and even you can able to change the locators and you can able to click the as well. Okay, 5000 timeouts it will take. Now this particular location, it got failed, and we can the locator with the generics. See, this is the one you need to click this particular arrow and comes to that particular location. It will take that one. Okay, what all the locators are there? It will take the locators and CSS locators and everything it will take, and we can able to click that particular button. Okay, just one more time you can able to replay. Say logout, it is clicked, our test case got passed. Okay, even some performance also you can able to do. If you click this one, it will give you the performance panel, performance significant, everything we can able to get it from here. Okay, what are the performance it is happen, how much time, and what are the things, everything it is provided for the performance as well. Okay, something it is misfired or something failed, and it will give you the performance. See, all the stuff it is provided, how much time and how much it is taken, and everything it is given to you. Okay, that it go for performance location. Okay, if you want, we can able to click and we can able to get the performance as well. Okay, but still again it is failed. One more time for this logout. We'll see. Now logout and everything happen. Okay, we can able to do anything. We can able to, if you want delete, you can able to delete as well. No issue, and it will pass. Okay, and if you want to delete any locator also, you can able to use and delete the locator. It will accept it. Okay, and after that, how you can able to export means we can able to see this is a down arrow, right? If you click this one, you can able to click for WebDriverIo test. In my case, by default it is there because I have already installed, and in your case you have to do for installation about the WebDriverIo. How you can able to do it means you can able to use for Google Chrome Store and click on the first Chrome Web Store, and here search for WebDriverIo and enter, and it will give you for one link, and this is the link. You need to click that particular one. I have already added, that's why it is showing for remove Chrome extension. In your case, you have to add the Chrome extension. Once you click, it will get it for here. Okay, I have already here WebDriverIo Chrome recorder. Okay, this is a recorder, it is presented. Okay, you can able to take here, it will be there. Okay, once you just added, just come to three dots, go to more and click on dev tools. Okay, and your test case will be presented here. Just click on that, it will expand here, and again you can able to use for this particular arrow, and then you will see for this WebDriverIo test extension. Before recording also you can able to add it, after also you can able to add it, there is no problem for that. Okay, just click on test, and you can able to store it any location. I'm going to store into my documentation location, just it. Okay, I saved into that, and this type of file damage only to save the dev tools. You can able to don't save also, no issue. I'm using for don't save. Okay, and I'm going to my location. Oh, file it is not give. Oh, sorry. Click export and document location test recorder. and save. Save, not don't save, save it. Once you make the save, it will comes to here. Okay, then just take that your Visual Studio Code editor, just minimize it and take the file, just drag and drop in that location. It will say comes to that location. Okay, and click double click and you can able to see all the steps. This is a basically it is providing for setting for window size, how much size it is there. You can able to provide your own size also, no problem. And then you can able to see this is the browser URL. Okay, then you can able to see in the previous videos, if you see my first test case creation, I am used for weight directly dollar. Okay, dollar I provided for export and set the value. Okay, but when you comes to here, it is take for that expected like weight and browser and dollar, and which is the value, double click that action. Okay, this also it will work directly, it will take the this also it will work out. Okay, and here is a browser actions, some performance we done for some actions, right? Key board actions, that all the things. Okay, and performing action, and here also action, here is a key down and key up. Okay, after that it is copy pasted here the value, that is the value, and here again double click in that particular arrow and some again key up and downs actions. Okay, and we provided for the password location. Once we provided the password location, we used for logout button to logout, and after that it is having for URL verification whether that particular location we are in presented or not. Once we verified inside that, and just we verified for, we clicked for logout, then again verifying for that particular browser URL. This is a command. In case if you want to edit some values, in case something you want to edit here, you want to add, now it is a recorded, but I want to verify this particular login button is presented or not after logout. Then you just use for the here three dots is there, right? If you click the three dots, it will give you for all the information. Add step before, add step after, remove. If you want to remove that particular step, you can able to remove. And if you want to put some breakpoint, you can able to put a copy the JSON script, you can able to puppet script, anything if you want, you can able to use it. And you that particular step only you want to copy, you can able to use that copy as a WebDriverIo test script. You can able to copy as well that particular step. Okay, and I'm using for after step, and the after step also you can able to give some methods here. What type of methods you want to add it, you can able to add it that actions. Wait element is presented. Which element you are trying, that is a logout, sorry login. Use login, then you can comes down, you can able to see login verification one, all the locators it will display. This is also we can able to, if you want to add the assertion event, you can able to add attribute, a frame, operator, timeout, property, add visibility, anything you can able to add it. Okay, we can able to do that. Even you can able to do the performance, you can able to playback, and if you this particular one, it will show you for normal, very slow, normal, very slow, and extremely slow. Means it will go for step by step execution, each and everything. And if you want to make the environment, like this is the environment and desktop setups and all pixel, okay, and the timeout and everything presented here. Okay, and the recorded how many test cases are there, that records also it will show you. And if you want to add new, you can able to click this plus symbol, you can able to add for new. Okay, that also it will help you to record as well. Okay, if you want to delete it, delete that entire record. If you want the passing record, resuming that one, and you need to continue from there where it is stopped. And step over, when you put the breakpoint, you have to use for step over one by one. This all the options you can able to one by one, you can able to do it. Okay, and here we once it is coming, then we can able to use to run this particular one. Here testing record.js file. Once you use this spec to run, and it will run as well your code, which is the code you are written, right? All the things we can able to execute here. Who don't want to write the step-by-step execution, that persons can able to do it for very quick on this. Okay, now see the test case got passed. It's a very easy to implement. Okay, no need to bother about it. Okay, you can able to record, you can take the value, and what are the actions you want to perform, you can perform by using the Chrome place, and copy that entire, export the file, and copy the code or directly drag and drop here, and you can able to run the test case. It will execute for you. Okay, this is the complete information about how to record, how to run in a WebDriverIo script. I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.